Hi, this is Juhi Singh Rajput, corporate trainer for personality development, grooming, English, and aviation. My qualifications are graduation in English literature, psychology, sociology, post-graduation diploma in aviation and travel tourism from Delhi, post-graduation in public administration and LLB. I have 14 years of working experience with corporate sectors, national and international brand. I started my career with Sahara Airlines, worked in many travel agencies, schools, college, institutes and academy like Air Hostess Academy, Avalon Air Hostess Academy, UEI Global, IELTS and TOEFL is an international brand, Oran EduTech as a voice and accent trainer. But the best thing was when I gave training to the traffic police officers of Chhattisgarh, which really brought a U-turn in my career. I have trained almost 1,000 of students. Many of my students are placed in India and abroad with good brands like Kingfisher Airlines, Jet Airways, British Airways, Indigo Airlines, Hotel Taj, Hotel Oberoi, and good multinational companies. My today's sessions are good personality, interview skills, and professional attire. Before going further to good personality, I just wanted to tell that 80% people think that if a girl or a boy, he's tall or she's tall, having fair complexion, sharp features, they only have good personality. But according to me, it's totally wrong. Good personality has three mandatory tools which are really very vital for your personality. The first one is your grooming. The second one is your body language, and the third one is your English. Now we come to grooming. What is grooming? Grooming means to groom yourself according to the occasion. Grooming is always concerned with hygiene point of view. Grooming is segregated into two parts, your professional grooming and your personal grooming. First we go to the personal grooming. Personal grooming is that a person is sitting in a relaxed mood at his residence in casual outfits, wearing shorts, bermuda, nightie, nightgowns, whatever. And the professional grooming is that as I am a faculty, I go out for giving sessions or for my lecture. I always wear a sari. Whenever we visit a hospital, we don't keep on running and screaming, who's the doctor? Where is the doctor? We come to know that he or she is a doctor because of their grooming, their apron and their stethoscope. You can see the traffic police officer, you can see the inspectors. We make out that there are a traffic police officer, they are inspector because of their grooming and attire. Now the second thing is your body language. If you don't have appropriate body language, then people can make fun of you, people can imitate you, people can mimic you, which is really not good for your personality. If you really want a good body language, first of all, you should concentrate on your gesture, your posture, your confidence. Always you should be confident but not overconfident. And always wear or carry a smile on your face, which really gives a good look to your personality. The third thing is your English. English matters a lot in today's time. You can see everywhere. English is segregated into 5 parts. The first part is basic English, simple English, advanced English, smart English and stylish English. Now I am telling you the difference between a simple English and a stylish English. One line I am telling you, like in simple English, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is a famous personality. If you want to speak this sentence in a stylish English, you should speak that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is a prominent personality. My father is important for our family or for me. If you want to speak in stylish English, my father is prominent for my family. Then the word come like neat and clean. We gradually say that please keep my wardrobe and my room neat and clean. But in stylish English, the sentence will turn into please keep my wardrobe and my room spick and span. If you will speak all these words, then your English will be very stylish. These all are creamy and branded work which will really improve your personality, which will really make your personality very graceful and impressive. I am giving you example of two great people. After that, your perception, your thinking will totally change. The first one is Honorable President of United States of America, Mr. Barack Obama. Do you think that he has a good personality? He has an awesome personality. The way he speaks, his grooming is fabulous. His body language, his confidence, his gesture, posture, and he always keep on smiling. That is the best thing in his personality. And English, excellent. And the same Bollywood, there are many handsome actors like Shahid Kapoor, Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan, Akshay Kumar. But there is one actor which we are forgetting. He's not that fair, he's not that good looking, but he has awesome personality, and he is Mr. Ajay Devgan. Very graceful, his acting and everything is fabulous. We all love watching his movie, and he is addressed as the Singham of Bollywood because of his good personality, his grooming, his body language, and his English. These two persons are really very admirable. I'm giving you my personal example about my grandmother. My grandmother, late Mrs. Prabhavati Samari, she belongs to a very small place, very small destination, Panna, Madhya Pradesh, but she was highly qualified, very impressive, and she got the Best Principal Award by the President, late Shri Mr. B.D. Jatti, for her excellent work and her intellectual qualities. So she was from very small town. She don't know what is grooming and all, but really she has a graceful personality. My father, he is an international economist, Professor Dinesh Marotia. I always admire him